Hello students, welcome to week 6 of your remote learning. We have 2 weeks left after this week. This is lesson number 17, and the first thing I want to do is review your vowel teams. So I'll show you the card and I want you to tell me what sound that makes. Oi, ah. Okay, this one has 2 sounds. Oo like moon and like book. Oo. Oops. Ow or O. 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 Oi. A. This one also says A. E. Another E. And then this one says ah, like August, which we can't wait to get to August to get to see you guys again. Okay, now let's work on our new lesson. This week we're going to talk about some most kind, wild, old, these are word families, and they have rule breakers in them. They're closed, so you would expect the vowels to be short, but they're going to be long. Most, long O, kind, long I, wild, long I, and old is a long O. So we remember these as most kind, wild, old words. Okay, let's make some words. So you'll need your paper and pencil. The first word that I want you to make is kind. K-I-N-D. Kind. You can look on the board to see. Now, I want you to change kind to wind. Think about what you'll change. So it should look like this, wind. Now I want you to change wind to hind, like the hind leg. So you'll change the beginning letter to an H for hind. Now change hind to rind. You'll change the beginning letter again to make it rind. Now let's go from rind to bind. That would be B-I-N-D. You have that word family that has the rule-breaking long I sound, bind. Now go from bind to blind. That would look like this, B-L-I-N-D. Now we're going to add a suffix, so go from blind to blinding. You're just going to add the ing suffix, so you'll get blinding, B-L-I-N-D, and you're just adding ing to it. All right, very good. Okay, now we're going to read some words. Okay, I'm going to hold this up there, and I want you to pause, read these words, and then this sentence to the parent that's helping you. All right, thank you, parents. Now, let's do our spelling dictation sentence. Okay, got your paper and pencil. Number 1 is kept. Tap it out to spell k-e-p-t, kept. Number 2, gold. G-o-l-d. And it's one of the rule breakers, gold. Makes the long O sound. Number 3, bank. Bank. Number 4, sold. Sold. And number 5 is hold. Hold. Take hold. Okay, now let's work on our dictation sentence. Remember, I'll say it twice and then you'll repeat it. So here's the sentence. We kept all the gold in the bank. Let me repeat it. We kept all the gold in the bank. Now it's your turn. Repeat. We kept all the gold in the bank. Okay, I want you to write that sentence. You can pause this and then write it, and then when you come back, I'll show you how those words in that sentence is spelled. Okay, thank you. All right, here's the spelling test, so you can check and see if you have your words right, and then your dictation sentence. Go ahead and pause and check and correct yours. Okay, now let's talk about the book. We have a new book this week, and it's called The Broken Bone. And who do you think's going to have a broken bone? Well, first you're going to find out that a friend of Liz and Jim moves in next door to them. And it's Champ. We've talked about Champ just a little bit. So Champ's going to move in next door, and then somebody is going to follow a cat up a tree and get a broken bone. So I'm going to leave that to you to read to find out. So let me tell you what your homework is for this week or today. Today you're going to read chapter 1 of The Broken Bone and do the word study that's in the back of the book for chapter 1. Then I also want you to work on this Val Team Fluency sheet. It's attached to the email. I want you working on this every day till you get very fluent, where you can just say these words instantly. This is going to be your main homework for the week. This is what I'm going to have you listen or read to me on our FaceTime. Or Miss Sutton will have you read to her. Okay. Parents, would you also review the vocabulary before the students read The Broken Bone? It's attached also. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.